How to download and install free MP3 Recorder and Editor on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can download and install free MP3 Recorder and Editor on Windows. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, navigate to the search bar there, type in free MP3 Recorder and Editor, then press enter in your keyboard. From the search results, head over to the first link, that is www.newstips.com, and then open it up. So once you're here, navigate to your right hand side, and under this section there is a link provided that says download free MP3 Recorder and Editor. Click on it. After that, download will begin. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder, click on the downloaded file. After that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions in order to install the free MP3 Recorder and Editor and set up in your device. So make sure you follow the on-screen instructions carefully. So that's how you can download and install free MP3 Recorder and Editor in your PC, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.